Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design, Unreal Engine 5, Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last lesson, we left off with creating some camera change mechanics, and in this one, we're gonna create an explosion actually. So we're gonna need to create a blueprint. So I'm gonna go on our blueprints. I'm gonna create a new blueprint of type actor. I'm gonna call it BP artillery explosion. Let's leave it like this. So let's open it, and I'm gonna add a static mesh. To be very honest, this is not needed, but because we have the asset, let's put it and set the mesh to artillery. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Nice, we have the static mesh here, and we need a Niagara particle. That we're gonna select. From what I see, we don't have some particle ready, so I'm not gonna use a Niagara. I'm gonna use a cascade particle system component, and I'm gonna use Gideon. I think has a nice meteor blasting. Let's check our Gideon folder. Yep, here it is. I'm gonna drag and drop this to the template. Meteor big impact. Let's see it again. Yeah, looks cool. It's a nice effect. Place it where you feel it's fine, and we're gonna select to not auto-activate. Instead of searching, just gonna type auto-activate and unclick. Now, we actually need collision cube also. Actually, we need a widget. So let's copy the widget we have on the doors or on our pickables. I'll get it from the pickable. Copy paste. It's pasted. And for this one, I'm gonna set it to a location that's gonna be static. I'm not gonna change its location. So we can change it afterwards based on the map that we will implement. Now, let's go to our class defaults and put a tag that is interactable. And we need the class interface with item comps. Select it, compile and save. And let's copy the events for the widget. And let's copy also action interact. Actually, we don't need to copy this. We could just call it from the interface, but anyway, I copied it. So when it's interacted, we will activate this. And we're going to reset it if it's already activated, just in case. And we're going to put a branch between this and the interact. I'm going to set condition to false and promote variable, say activated, for example. It's a fine name. And if it's false, it should activate and set activated to true. Now, on the event height widget, on the event show widget, we need to connect activated also. So if it's If it's false, it should show the widget. If it's true, it should not show the widget again. And when we are activating it, the widget will be on, so we will hide it. And this is it for this blueprint. Let's bring it to our map and test it. Let's go near it. It exploded, but the widget wasn't looking at us. Yes, because I didn't copy the code of look at us, which is this code over here on tick event. Actually, I'm gonna get tick event also. This is why, as I said, it's better to have it. We need the game mode reference also. So I'm gonna get this and this. Components, common libraries are very good tools. So let's bring begin play, connect this here. And yeah, I think it's done. Yep, it's looking at us wherever we go. And wherever we are, we can explode it, compile and save. And this is it for this one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.